guys, I'm Raghav. Welcome to our channel Reviewing Indian. So today we are going to do a quick unboxing of Sony WIC400 a wireless stereo headset. So this it was a surprise for me because I got it from a friend of mine who just bought it. So I said I'll do a quick unboxing and test it and give it back. So I don't have any idea what is inside because I just saw him buying it and I just took it for unboxing. So let's start with the look of the box. So as in line with most of the Sony products, they pack it very nicely. So you have this picture with the details like HD 20-hour battery life and all the stuff here. It says wireless here. They said that the price is 3990 and it is kind of, there are some details written in Japanese like mic, cable adjuster, stopper, something like that. And this side there's nothing, this side nothing. So let's quickly unbox it. I think my friend just opened it and checked it, but let's do the unboxing officially here. There is a box, inside box, so let's open this box and check it out. I have to be careful because I have to give it back to my friend like in the same condition. Sorry Aston Martin, sorry my Lotus. So there is this charging cable, earbuds, and the very big user manual and warranty card. Here there is a nice packaging for this earbuds. So this is it. Wow, it feels hefty. Let me keep it this side. So you can see that it feels heavy because this has got a bigger battery because they're claiming 20 hours battery life, and it feels premium, I would say. It's not like very flexible, but it feels sturdy. So on this side you can check it here. There's this cable coming out of here like a bead thingy, and you have your earbuds. It looks premium, I'd say. And let me check if there any marking for left or right. I can't find. Maybe it will be here. Yeah, it's here. It says right. So this side coming here, there is like power button, there is volume up down, and there is a control for stopping it. I think this will also act as a button to change tracks. So that's there. So the cable is, no, there is no cable. Yeah, cable is routed through this. No, it's something different actually. So there is some black stuff here. Looks premium, and it's not very flexible, but it's sturdy. So that's about it. So I think it's NFC stuff, and there is this port for the charging cable, and it's a micro USB cable charging. So this is gray color, looks great. So let me put it around my neck and see how it looks. So guys, this is the earphone. So this is right side, this is left side. So let me wear it and show it first. So this is how you wear it. So you can see that it fits pretty snugly because it's a bit solid. It's not that too flimsy. So you can just put it under your collar or something. You have these things coming. It's not very long also. So you can just simply keep it here. Now you can see that. So it fits here. It's very nice fit. It's not uncomfortable also. One thing I noted was that there are beads here. You can see that. Okay. This bead is kind of will help you to control the length of the cable. So if you want only this much length, so you can keep it like this. Same here, you can adjust it. But only concern I feel is that if you want longer, for example, there are people who are like long neck ones, if they want to extend, like for example it's here, and if it's like a bit more length if they want, and if you want a bit more movement, for me it's okay, no problem. But if they're like long neck guys, it should be a problem. But maybe I think Sony would have done enough research, and for me it's perfect. It has got good heft and it fits perfect. Also accessing the controls, let me check. So it's not very difficult. You have these controls access here. There is nothing here, so it shouldn't be a problem. And removing it just like this. So you have to remove this and just this, and it feels good. We have two wireless earbuds. Both are like from different mega manufacturers. This is from Harman Kardon, basically the budget brand from Harman Kardon called Infinity, and we have the Sony, which is also like master. And what I did was that after unboxing this and this, I've been using this for almost 3-4 days, and I can talk about the battery life. Of course, they claim 7 hours. I'm getting at least 6 hours, so this is really good. And this I paid 999, and this I'm not sure about the price. The printed price is around 4K, but I'll leave the actual price in. But still, I believe it should be somewhere around 2K, so almost double the price of this. And you guys will be surprised to see the result, because this one is a giant. Of course, it is kind of, you know, battery giant. It claims 20 hours of battery life, and this is only 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. But after using it, you guys will be surprised what I feel about this thing. So this is kind of slightly feels flimsy, but still it's water resistant, not water resistant, sorry, IPX splash resistant. This is also same, and this has got more what you call features with the buttons and all the stuff, and it's kind of trendy stuff. This looks like a, noodle, but when it comes to usage, basic usage, both has got a voice command. So when you turn it on and when you connect it, both will give you like inputs that it is on, it is connected. This is slightly less, the voice is slightly less, when the voice that says, the battery is low and all. This is a bit loud. And when it comes to the battery percentage, this one shows in the Bluetooth connectivity bar. I'll show. This one doesn't show, it just shows that disconnected, but this shows like 100% battery. So this came with 100% battery. This came with, if I'm right, around 50% battery. I had to charge this. But when it comes to the audio quality, so I tried with both same videos, same audio system. So what I found was that this is slightly louder, this is less loud, but it's not very less loud, I'd say. And what I was surprised that this focuses on treble, that sharp sounds and high notes. But this is more like a balanced one. This plays the lows very well. The medium is good. Maybe the treble is slightly lower, but this is focused on treble. But this is focuses more on a balanced one. And I was surprised because I was expecting this thing to blow this thing away, but it came out like almost equal. So that is my quick review. And if you want a bit more trendy thing with more battery life and some branded stuff, this is your choice, but you have to almost pay double or more than double for buying this. And this is kind of a 999 if you buy on offer, otherwise 1299. And this looks flimsy and all, but trust my word, because I'm using it for last 3 days. This is really good, balanced, and maybe you have to charge it but 7 hours. You can use it 2-3 days, then you can recharge. And this says it will take, one biggest problem is it will take 4.5 hours to charge it completely, whereas this will take almost 1.5 hours only. So I'm really surprised. So if I had to pick among these two, I'll go for this, and I'll buy 2 of these and use it. Maybe if I had to pick among these two, my choice will be this, audio quality of this and battery of this, but which is not possible. So thanks for watching. This is a quick comparison review, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and wait for more content. Thank you. Cheers.